Today, folks, let's conjugate the verb demander, which means to ask, in the passé composé. Okay, let's have a look at the verb ding, demander, and that means to ask. Quite an easy verb to conjugate, okay? Today, we are going to conjugate it in the passé composé, which means a past tense that took place in the past and is done, gone, done, over with, okay? How do we do that? Well, we use the auxiliary verb to have in the present tense, and we add what we call a past participle. Because demander is a regular verb, we can see it. It has er at the end. It's what we call an infinitive verb here. Well, what we do to er verbs, we drop the r and we add an accent aigu on top of the e. And there we have our past participle. So, to form the passé composé, we use to have plus past participle of demander. Here we go. J'ai demandé. I have asked or I asked. Tu as demandé. You have asked or you asked. Il a demandé. He has asked or he asked. Elle a demandé. She has asked or she asked. On a demandé. We have asked or one asked or we asked. Nous avons demandé, another way of saying we. Nous avons demandé. We have asked or we asked. Vous avez demandé. You have asked or you asked. Ils ont and elles ont demandé. They have asked or they asked. Obviously, if you don't know what je and tu and il, these are called subject pronoun. I invite you to watch my subject pronoun, which is part of my volume 1 of French Essentials. Okay, there are 10 lessons and I think you will find them very useful. Anyway, let's have a look at them again before I give you some examples. J'ai demandé, now répétez. Tu as demandé. Il a demandé. Elle a demandé. On a demandé. Nous avons demandé. Vous avez demandé. Ils ont demandé and elles ont demandé. Très bien. If I give you 3 examples, let's have a look at this one. Ding! Annie a demandé la permission de sortir de la classe. Annie a demandé. Now, Annie has asked, okay? Now, we know that this is a demandé because Annie is elle. If we replace Annie by a subject pronoun, it will be elle. It would not be je or tu, it would be elle. Okay, so, elle a demandé, Annie a demandé la permission, permission, de sortir, to leave, to go out de la classe, from the classroom. Okay, she has permission to leave the classroom. Okay, another example. Tom et Gabriel ont demandé à leur patron une journée de congé. Now, this one is a little tricky. If you ask someone, okay, then you add à to demander. In that case, we are asking our boss. So, Tom et Gabriel, Tom and Gabriel, so they are they, okay, they asked. Ils ont demandé, they ask, ils ont demandé à leur patron, their boss, okay, leur stands for their, by the way, une journée de congé. Now, journée de congé is a day off, okay? Journée means day, okay? Congé means off. Now, Tom et Gabriel ont demandé à leur patron une journée de congé. Now, it's quite a tricky sentence, but you've got to hear them, okay? Numéro 3, number 3, here's the last one. Je n'ai pas demandé à ma mère d'acheter des fraises pour les déjeuners. Now, that's random. Je n'ai pas demandé. Now, if you see pas in a sentence, it means not. Okay, it's a negation. Ne pas. Now, you put the ne before the auxiliary to have and pas right after the auxiliary to have when using a negation in the passé composé. So, je n'ai pas, then past participle, demandé ma mère. Again, because it's a person, we say à, okay, and then whoever it is. Je n'ai pas demandé à ma mère, I did not ask my mother, d'acheter, to buy, des fraises pour le déjeuner. Strawberries for lunch, okay? Don't know why I chose this example. Anyway, have a look at the examples again, and why don't you try to use demander in the passé composé and write a comment below. And I promise you, because I always do, that I will correct your example. Okay? Now, that's it for me. Remember to refer back to other verbs and other tenses that I have created for you. Okay? It's always useful. À bientôt. Au revoir. Bisous, bisous. Bonjour et bienvenue. Je m'appelle Alexa. Je suis française. Je parle français et anglais. Comment ça va? Route. Et puis la dernière pour moi aussi. Donc si tu veux m'aimer, appelle.